Hey guys, what's good? I'm Andre from the Trading Crew, and on this channel we look at stocks I love, stocks you love, and stocks nobody should love. I want to have a quick look at ticker symbol X US Steel Corp with you guys. This is a follow-up from a video I made right around a week ago, and I want to have you guys join me in having a renewed look at this. And I also want to have a quick look at a couple of comments that I've received on that other video, and how should we really go about positioning ourselves for success in the future. So without further ado, if you get anything out of the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and let's hop into Webull and have a look. Cool guys, so the first thing that I want to bring up here is the fact that as we were expecting, X did pull back here. I'm not gonna lie, it was above my expectations with regards to how much it's gonna pull back. I initially thought that it would be in the $24 range, and it managed to pull back quite a bit more than that. What I ended up doing was establishing an initial position right around the $25 price point, just because it showed initial signs of immediate bounce back. But obviously with the markets being quite choppy this month, which isn't really surprising for a June month, since we know this is pretty usual for June, it went lower here. So the first thing I want to mention is the fact that it seems to have found support at around $22.7. So with that in mind, right now we're trading around 23.7 as we're currently sitting, and I do expect this to continue moving higher here. Actually, if we have a look at the daily chart, you guys can see that the RSI is looking pretty fair value, but the MACD is turning green slowly but surely. On the weekly, it's looking decent too. The RSI again is pretty fair value. The MACD right now looks like it's probably still gonna be a little bit in the red before moving in the green. That being said, I do expect X to go back here above $25-27, and potentially even as high as the previous peak, which was just short of $30 just a couple of weeks back. I know that a couple of you guys have asked me what do I think about the future of X here, and you've also let me know of the fact that you got sort of stuck in the position at around $27. First off, the first thing that I want to make you aware of is never ever open a position with all of the allocated budget from the get-go. Please make sure that you only enter into positions gradually. So in this case, what I ended up doing, as I was telling you, was actually entering quite a few different positions here based on the different days of trading that I've been noticing for US Steel Corp. And actually I cannot wait for it to go back to around $23 so that I can buy some more at those lower levels, because I truly feel like it's gonna go at least back to 27 within the next couple of weeks here. So please make sure that you only invest in 5 to 10% increments of what you plan on the whole investment to be, and in this case I want to get at around 100 and 120 shares of X stock for my portfolio. Again, this is gonna be a swing trade. I'm already selling covered calls on around 74, if I recall, shares that I have for X. So in the eventuality that I get assigned those shares, it's easy for me to buy an additional 26 and be able to give the full 100 shares that I would owe. Right now I'm selling covered calls at around $27, and I'm more than happy to sell my shares at $27, but I'm also being paid to wait for X to get there. If you guys have any questions for me, please drop them in the comment section below, and I'd be more than happy to answer them. With regards to the future here, again, I do think that we're gonna see another few days a bit more choppy, but then potentially with the 4th of July always being such an important period of the year, and there's so much enthusiasm going around that date, that I do expect X here to continue making higher highs from this point forward. Again guys, hopefully you've been able to enjoy the content. If I can do anything else that would improve the videos here, please let me know. Otherwise, please drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care, have a good one.